Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am getting rid of a ton of stuff today. If you guys saw my last video, I go through my apartment, which I'm remodeling. It's 2024. I've worked my to the bone, getting my career life in order, and I feel like I really neglected myself through the process. 2024, I made it a goal to take better care of my personal life, my lifestyle, my health, and with that comes my apartment. Just as a little refresher, we're dealing with this right here. I have a ton of stuff that's just kind of in a space that is a beautiful space. I need to get the carpets cleaned, whatever. You can watch it on my last video. Today, we're doing a major rehaul. I'm taking a bunch of stuff to Salvation Army. I'm hoping to get this pole sold today, and then I plan on doing a paint job to make it look more homey. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. I usually only take my donations to Salvation Army, and that's because I have heard some things about Goodwill. Not to say I'm too good to shop at Goodwill, but I don't want to donate my stuff for them to upcharge it way more than I bought it for. I have all this stuff I need to take in. I just don't like to have clutter, and that's the big thing. On my way over here to Salvation Army, I also saw another thrift shop that I've never been to. It's Boys and Girls Club, and I saw in the windows and it looked like they had some cool stuff. So we're gonna stop there really quick before we hit up Home Depot to find paint. Good, this is so cute. These are adorable. How much are they? $3. That's cheap as shit. That's so cute. Oh, okay. As you guys know from my last vlog, I've been looking at different thrift shops around Arizona because I want to redo my apartment, but I don't want to spend a lot of money on it. I've been just checking out different thrift shops here and there. This one I've seen all the, like I always drive by it. I never thought to come in. And to be honest with you, this is one of my favorite thrift shops so far out of the 4 that I've gone to. All of them had different vibes and like things that they sell, but this one is definitely more up my alley. And all of the prices here are very reasonable. I feel like at the other ones I went to, they were a tad bit pricey for what I was getting, but then again, maybe they were antique. I don't really care for antique at this moment in my life. Lots and lots of cute stuff in there. I ended up going home with a jacket. It's cute. I'll try it on later. I'm definitely gonna go back there as soon as I get everything more settled in my apartment, painted, dining table. Once I get it, the pieces there, then I'll go back and actually get the picture frames, the decorations and all that. I don't remember if I said Home Depot or Lowe's, but we're going to Lowe's. I have a certain color that I'm looking for, and I'm basing it off this Pinterest photo that I saw. I think it's something along these lines. I think this is really pretty right here. This is side by side. I think that color is actually pretty spot on. I hope it looks good in the apartment though. I'm picking my sheen. Okay, I see what that does.
Satin is what I consider wipeable.
Is there a difference on price?
Second, the cheapest one, flat, is $30, where semi-gloss is $39.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. If I'm being honest, I am terrified to paint. Like, I can feel my stomach dropping. And that's because when it comes to things in my home changing, I get terrified, which is so weird because when it comes to business and like everything else in my life, I love change. It's scaring me right now. Weird fear, huh? I was planning on painting some of my bedroom green anyway, so I might as well just get it over with, you know? Thank you. I might actually get one more. Sure. Yeah. Kind of going for like a darker forest green. Middle. I'm not joking. I feel like puking. Okay. I think oak moss, the middle one here, would look good. Either that or shade grown. Okay, well I keep going for oak moss because I picked it on this one and I also picked it on this one. So it looks like oak moss is it. I didn't realize how much changing my personal life affected me. But like I'm so ready for it. I've been wanting this for so long. I guess it just scares me and I was not addressing that. We're gonna paint the room that brown color that I picked out. Very pretty brown. This wall, that wall, and then just a portion of that wall right there. This is more work than I anticipated. I also hope that line is straight. I think it's straight. My mom always told me I'm crooked. I don't know. I'm gonna do this wall first and then we'll move on to the other walls because I've honestly never really painted before. So this is all new to me. Everything I'm showing you guys that I'm doing, very, very new. I think that's why it's so scary. My nerves have subsided, which is good. Nice. Ooh, beautiful. It's like a pinkish brown. Oh, I hope that looks good. Oh, I don't think that's what I was going for. Kind of wanted like a darker brown. I mean, this looks exactly like what I was trying to find that matched the Pinterest photo that I was like comparing it to. This looks exactly like the color. But now that I'm here and I'm at home, I think what I wanted was a darker brown. This is something I'm gonna have to think about, and I may not even paint today. I don't wanna paint something and completely regret it. Again, the old me last week would just paint it and be like, it's fine. But you know what? I'm sick of settling for things I don't want. I don't think I want this color. I do think that I want something darker. I'll probably use this color, maybe like the living room or something. I couldn't help it. I went back to Lowe's and I got the color that I wanted. I think this is gonna look a lot better. Caribou brown. I think that's gonna look much better. Like, I curated the vibe in my head and I've always dreamt about having this vibe since I was a kid. Anytime I try and find it online, I don't know what the vibe is called. But I do know that it's the vibe that you feel during the fall. That is the vibe I want to emulate and feel cozy, nostalgic. That's the vibe I'm going for. Oh my gosh, it's happening. I'm just gonna draw turds everywhere. Oh, and that's why you need a cover. I already spilled. I'm done with the brush. I just wanted to see if I liked it. I do, so we're gonna get started. Ooh, this is so fun. This is the exact color I wanted. Voila! I'm doing a second coat. It looks beautiful. I don't know that I want to continue out here. I asked my sister about it. She's like, honestly, let's just maybe do an accent wall. I didn't know I had to do a second coat, so I went and got some more paint, and today we're gonna do the second coat. Oh, and I'm wearing the same outfit because I didn't want to dirty another outfit. And you know, it kind of matches just in case. I also went to the gym this morning and I did an 11-minute cold plunge. I am very proud of myself. Got it on the area I was not supposed to get it on. Whoopsie. Second coat is complete. I am loving the look so far. And yesterday I got in all of these boxes over here. This is going to be the dining table. I was looking for one on OfferUp. I don't know what it was. I could not find one, at least a set. And then I was looking for stuff at all the thrift stores and I just couldn't find one that was speaking to me. From what I saw in the photos, I love the look of it. And I feel like when I move eventually, it's going to fit into the vibe of the house, at least for a while. I don't want to invest money into something that's like, oh, it's just cute in this apartment for now. It's like, you know what? If I want this and I know that I'm going to utilize it later in life, I personally think it's a good investment. I still got it on sale though. Oh man. I don't know who had to drop them off to my apartment, but I feel bad. The carpet works. The carpet works. And I'm going to leave that there for now because there's like not enough room. I cannot wait to get this taken down. I feel like it's taking up so much room, but I do want to start working on this table. Maybe I'll just learn how to take this down myself. The reason I got the pole is because I was trying to find a hobby outside of work and I love spinning. Like I always have since I was a kid. Like on the tire swing, I was like, yeah, like spin me harder. I did a pole class just for fun and it is a workout. I did a pole class at Prowess Pole Fitness over in Tempe. I did the level 1. I learned how to climb the pole. I learned how to do tricks. And keep this in mind, at the time I didn't have like a routine of my workout. I was still kind of like in limbo on what I wanted to do, what my lifestyle was. I was still trying to find myself 3 years ago. And then after that, I was like, you know what? I want to practice at home. I bought a pole. I have used it. Genuinely, I haven't used it. My sister and her friends use it more than I do. And that's just them like flipping around and doing random shit. I'm telling you, when I say my home is a playground, that's exactly what it is. I got it down. Here's the decoration, or the instructions. 5426. See, this is why I wasn't good at school. I can't pay attention. Like, I'm looking at it and it's not registering, even though it's photos. Straight up photos. Dude, come on. What is happening? Well, I'll tell you what, it's not going in. It feels like it's not long enough. It's the wrong screw. Turns out there's a small, medium, and large screw. I was using the small. I didn't know that there was a medium. I did it. I did it. I did it. Look, I can shop cheap, but I don't want it to feel cheap. And this does not feel cheap. This actually feels very expensive. I got it for $600. But I think it was originally like $1,000, so I'll take the win on that. I just went and had a photo shoot to promote my Arizona coffee collection pass. It's on my Instagram at Southwest Sampler. I know that I've posted about it by now. This is my jacket that I got at Boys and Girls Club. So cute. Anyway, I'm all dressed up because I did the photo shoot. I'm hot as right now. It's like 60 degrees outside. It's hot. I'm hot in the car. I'm hot. So let's get home. And ta-da! Here's how the room is looking so far. I'm honestly not sure if I'm a fan of that mirror right there. I don't know. I need to feel it out. I also want to put some curtains, make it more homey, get some decoration for the table. And then I also built this last night, which is the little shoe area I was talking about. That's just there for now. I don't plan on that being there. The pole I'm going to sell. I also need to take this back to Lowe's because I thought I bought a drill and I don't know what I bought. So taking that back. I'm kind of struggling though because it's getting there, but it's not what I'm wanting yet, which I know it takes time, but if you guys have any suggestions as of right now. And now I'm going to do some unboxing. I just got done with a hike. We went to McDowell Mountain and did a 6-mile hike this morning, me and some girlfriends. Okay, well this has nothing to do with the home renovation. I'm going to my friend's wedding in a few weeks. I wanted to get some jewelry for it, but I didn't want to spend, I think the jewelry I wanted was like $100 for the necklace and then another $100 for the bracelet. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not gonna spend that right now. I don't even know if I'm ever gonna wear that bracelet again, the necklace again. So I got a dupe and I think that looks really pretty. It looks almost identical to what I was gonna buy for $100. And this is only like 15 bucks. I also got the dress. I got this on Revolve. The wedding colors that they want us to wear are sage green, lavender, or I forgot the other one. But I was like, you know what? I never get to wear lavender. So I found this dress. I'll try this on later. Soap dispensers for the kitchen. The more that I'm ordering things, the more I'm realizing I want it to feel cozy, but also kind of luxury. Oh yeah, sponge holders too. I saw this little photo on Pinterest, so that's kind of what inspired the dish soap and the sponge holder. Oh dude, listen, my speaker broke like 2 years ago, and since then I've just been using my phone or I've been using the sound bar in the living room. Nothing compares to a portable speaker. I think it was like $40 compared to almost $200 for the one I used to have. It's mini, I feel like it'll do the job, and it looks really nice, very sleek. I think it looks great. Some drinking glasses. Oh shit. I think those are very cute. They came with little straws. I loved like the chrome vibe on these. Look at that. That's really, really pretty. Like I said, I want to feel luxury, cozy, and I feel like this is like still girly. I also got one more thing. I caved and I bought one of these. I know you can just as easily stir it with a spoon or a fork, but I do make a lot of drinks. I do a lot of mocktails at night. That's why I have this, because I love to sip out of it. Like it's my little like nightly cocktail, but it's mocktail. And it's fun to make it like a little bougie, right? Oh, I need to put batteries in it. I'll show you guys what I make later. I have a ton of stuff that I use for it. This is the dress that I got, and honestly, it's way too big. I look frumpy. It's so loose. This is definitely an absolute no. Last night, I did the dishes, and I put our new glasses in there. So pretty. I'm obsessed. And I'm going to show you guys how I make a mocktail with the little zzz thing. I also just got done with an afternoon walk. Let's try that. There we go. Usually I do some kind of like probiotic soda, or I'll just do water, but right now I'm gonna do the pop. If it's at night, I'll do the Calm Mind, which is just like a magnesium in the mood for bed. Otherwise, I do this Super Green. You already know the brand. It's my first time using this. But it is carbonated soda, so I can see why it's doing that. This is not the prettiest. I do want to create like a little drink bar, like right over there somewhere. Bon appetit. Pretty good. I did run out of time to continue this week's vlog, but I do plan to keep you guys updated, so keep it here as I show you my home renovation journey. I definitely need some tips, as well as give you my true thoughts on some of the things I'm buying. This one, gotta be honest, I don't know about it yet. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week.